I'm Auri-Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. And today I'm going to show you how to wash a sink. I'm gonna show you how to make it look like brand new, like this. This is one of the most asked questions because I have a lot of before and after pictures on my Instagram. So today I'm revealing my secrets. Here we have pretty bad stains. This is grease and calcium. Okay, first we are going to use oven cleaner and scrub mommy. And again, I'm just gonna leave it there for like 5 or 10 minutes. 5 minutes have passed, so now I'm going to use Steel Daddy. Let's wet it. Like this, Scrub Mommy is too soft for the calcium, so that's why I'm changing the tool. This is too easy for Steel Daddy. Okay, I think it's pretty good now. So let's see. When I do this, I feel if there is something left. Okay, there's something. But if you want it to be perfect, you can use scraper. Like, take everything off with these tiny holes. But for me it doesn't matter. Some people think that I have OCD or that I am perfectionist, but I'm not. I just love cleaning, but that's it. It's okay to be messy. It's okay if your home isn't clean. Everything's okay. Like, just relax. Everything can be cleaned. I think so. Now it's good. Here you can see that there is yellow stains. It's actually coffee oil. So, for that we will need highly alkaline product, and you can use oven cleaner, but today I'm using bleach. And when I'm using bleach, I always use dye-free Scrub Daddy. Remember, when you are using bleach, use always cold water. Ooh, a little bit more. Okay, again, we have to let it sit there like 5 minutes or so. Now it's been here like 5 minutes, so let's scrub it. Ooh. So satisfying. I think now it's pretty good. So let's rinse it. Okay, it looks better, but it's not ready yet. Now we are using power paste. What? Look at this. Oh, I love this product. This is a game changer for your sink. Okay. Now it's look like brand new. Oh, I love it. That's it. Now it's like new. Okay, here we have grease and dust, so it's really sticky. And here we have also grease, a lot of grease. You can't even see it through, but we will see. Here I have oven cleaner, and I'm just gonna spray it here. Then I'm using Scrub Mummy. Look, it comes off so easily. Dish soap's pH scale is like 7, and oven cleaner's pH scale is 12, so it's huge difference. Okay, I have really hard grease in here, so I'm using scraper. Let's wipe it. Ooh, pretty good. I'm always changing these microfiber cloths because I want them to be clean. Ooh. Oh, that's so satisfying. Ah, this is the reason why I love to do this. So fun. And then I'm putting my scraper here and whoop. Ah. Oh my god, look at that. Now it's clean. It is so bright, like now you can see through. Hey, subscribe my channel if you wanna learn more tricks and hacks about cleaning. Because remember, I'm the world's best and the happiest cleaner. See you, bye!